Are you struggling with JavaScript code that just won't work in Internet Explorer? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the issue of the .includes method not being supported in IE. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid workaround. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code runs perfectly in one browser but throws errors in another. It's a common headache for developers, especially when dealing with cross-browser compatibility. Here's the situation we're tackling today. A user reached out saying they are using the .includes method in their JavaScript function, but Internet Explorer is throwing an error saying object doesn't support property or method includes. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this happening? The .includes method is a relatively newer addition to JavaScript and is not supported in older browsers like Internet Explorer. This can lead to unexpected errors when your code is run in those environments. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a simple alternative that will keep your code running smoothly across all browsers. To address the issue with the includes method not working in Internet Explorer, the user can replace it with the indexOf method. This method is supported in all browsers, including Internet Explorer. Next, the user should update the function to ensure it still returns the correct output. The indexOf method will return the position of the substring, or -1, if it is not found. After making these changes, the user should test the function in Internet Explorer to confirm that it works as expected. This will ensure that the functionality is consistent across all browsers. Finally, the user may want to consider using a polyfill for the includes method if they prefer to keep the original code. This will allow them to use includes in browsers that do not support it natively. Fun fact, did you know that Internet Explorer was once the most popular web browser? It's hard to believe now, but it had a huge impact on web development practices. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use the indexOf method instead of includes. This method is supported in Internet Explorer. You can check if the string contains a specific value by using indexOf, which returns the position of the value or -1 if it's not found. Additionally, you can polyfill the includes method for broader compatibility. This involves adding a function to string.prototype that mimics the behavior of includes, ensuring it works in older browsers. Here's the pro tip. Always check for browser compatibility when using newer JavaScript features. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By using .indexOf instead of .includes, your code should now work seamlessly in Internet Explorer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.